So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of August 2026. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Tower and the Chariot and the Knight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. From deep inside, this person is feeling this strong urge or desire to talk to you, having back and forth communication with you, like meeting you face to face. If you guys are in a long distance, they feel like they should travel to you, meet you face to face, and talk to you, like have a lot of communication with you, where both of you are talking to each other on a genuine, heartfelt level, and both of you are doing whatever it takes to sort things out with each other. Now, sorting things out can mean like talking to each other and then leaving the situation completely, or maybe coming back together in a friendly way. This person is having a strong realization that they are not able to move on, even if they have tried thousand ways to move on from the situation. They are feeling very attracted and infatuated, and you can say in a very, they are feeling like they should do something about the situation. They don't have any plan, they don't know what to do, they don't know how to approach the situation, but they strongly feel they have a strong desire and urge to do something about the situation, to come forward towards you, not out of love, not out of, oh my god, I understand that Libra is my soulmate or something, out of impulse, out of this energy of I lost Libra for good, and I should do something about it in an impulsive way. I should go get Libra. This might be somebody who is on and off, in and out of your life. Like they come in whenever they want to, they just leave whenever they want to. Right now, also, they have the same energy, and they try to move on from you. They try to move on from the situation, but they are not able to. That's why they feel like they should come forward towards you with their same tactics, with their same on and off, in and out kind of energy, and they should do something about the situation. Again, they don't know what and they don't know how, but they feel like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Six of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a Five of Pentacles. Their intention is to come out of this feeling left out in the cold by the whole divine kind of a situation. They are hurt and wounded, and they are not able to find anything or anyone on whom they can rely on, with whom they can find peaceful energies with whom they can find a helpful and beautiful and positive kind of energies with. That is why this person feels like having reconciliation with you, having a family kind of a dynamics with you, and having this collaboration partnership with you. Even if one of you is married, they are more than willing to have a reconciliation with you, because they are okay with the fact that even if you were like one of you or maybe both of you are having different partners, they're okay with the fact that whatever time you can give each other, what give to each other, whatever connection you can share with each other, they just want to be a part of that. So this person wants to have a long term partnership with you in whatever way it is possible. They want to have a reconciliation with you, but the term and condition here is that the situation should be exactly the same as it used to be, where you were madly in love with them, where you guys had a really good time with each other, where both of you were happy with each other. There was no resistance to anything. There was no terms and conditions, ifs or buts, or there were the connection was very light-hearted, very beautiful, very positive, very happy-go-lucky. That kind of energy they want back in their life with you, and they want it for long term. They want to participate in the situation even if there is a third party, regardless of the third party, you can say. Now, if they're already married or committed to somebody else, I don't think so. This is somebody who is going to leave someone for you or for the situation. They would like to carry it forward the way it is. Don't be a part of this shit, Libra, if that's the truth. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month. We have the Sun card, the Three of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Moon card. They are going to be surrounded by so many mysterious or secretive kind of energies, so much of fear, insecurity, you can say, or illusions or delusions that they're living. They don't have a clear cut picture and understanding of how to approach this situation and what you are feeling for them. Are you also in love with them? Are you also the same person that they left behind? Do you still care for them? Do you still want them back? They have lots of ifs and buts and confusions and whatnot in their head, in their energies, that is stopping them from coming forward towards you, even if they consider you as the light of their life, as somebody who makes them really very very happy. They don't want to create another heartbreak or rejection in their life anymore. They don't want to get hurt anymore in the situation. That is why they are holding back their steps from coming towards you. It's like they're taking one step towards you and then taking like 10 steps uh, away from the situation, again because they're not sure what you feel for them, how you are going to react, how you are going to approach the situation. Are you willing to be a part of the situation the way they want you to be? So they have lots of uncertainties and questions regarding the future direction of the situation. That is why they are just refusing to do anything about the situation as of now, because they don't want another heartbreak. Yeah. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra, for this situation for this month. We have the Knight of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. Clear your head. You have to clear your head. You don't have to create stories or scenarios that might not be at all true about the situation. The more you are going to see the situation clearly, with mental clarity, with mental sharpness, the more it's going to be easier for you to make some kind of choice or decision in this direction. Because internally, you might be feeling like you are trapped in a situation, you are trapped in some kind of mental jail, and no matter how hard you are trying to get out of this, you're not able to. It's just your mind playing tricks on you and creating stories and scenarios in your head that are not actually true and that are never going to be true, maybe. So the more you are going to stay clear in your head about this situation, the more it's going to be easier for you. Don't make any kind of choice or decision in any kind of impulsive energy or aggressive energy or restless energy. If you're planning to reach out to this person, take a step back, understand the consequences of your actions, understand the energy that might come up because of what you are planning to do, out of impulse, out of anger. Until unless you are very very clear and sure about what you should do and what you should not do in this direction, with all the proper consequences and pros and cons and negativity and positivity, I highly, highly, highly recommend to not to do anything about the situation. Stabilize your own energies, balance your own emotional and mental energies. Then think about the situation with a clear head, with a stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy, and then maybe make the choice or decision of doing or not doing anything about it, right? Because again, any kind of action or any kind of decision made in any kind of impulsive or restless kind of energy might not go well, might not go well in the situation at all. Let's see the lesson for you guys from this situation for this month, Libra. Judgment. Forgiveness is the key here. When you okay, the whole divine wants you to learn the lesson of forgiveness and letting it go. If you are going to keep on, putting your life on hold for people, situations, or things that you cannot change, control, or heal, or do anything about. This like you have to let go and surrender, and you have to understand that people don't change for anything or anyone until unless they don't want to change, until unless they really really want to do something about the situation. So instead of trying to fix something or trying to make someone understand your value, or trying to make someone understand what they did wrong and how they should behave and how they should proceed further, focus on yourself. This is not your job to make somebody understand basic humanity, to make somebody understand basic accountability, to make somebody understand the value of true love. Okay? The person who deserves you is going to be there for you when it is going to be the right energies for you and the divine timing, of course. But you don't have to fix, you don't have to lecture, you don't have to make somebody understand your value or anything. You don't have to do any kind of manipulation kind of shit. I'm not saying you are doing that, but trying to make somebody understand is also a kind of manipulation. Hmm? So letting it go, surrender, and forgiveness is the key. Forgiveness is not about the other person. It was never about the other person. It was always about us. So that you can be at peace, you have to learn the art of forgiveness and letting it go, so that you can have a brand new chapter, a brand new life, a brand new person maybe in your life, right? The lesson here is forgiveness and letting it go. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer, and if it's not enough, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. Okay. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Libra, we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.